Under $100 items you must have for traveling. Hey there, travel enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, I'm all about helping you make the most out of your travel experiences. Collapsible water bottle $15. Our first essential item is this collapsible water bottle. Not only is it eco-friendly, but it's also super compact and lightweight, perfect for saving space in your luggage. Plus, it's always a good idea to stay hydrated while you're on the go. Portable power bank $25. Next up, we have this portable power bank. Make sure to choose one with at least 10,000 mAh to keep your devices charged throughout your trip. Packing cubes $20. Packing cubes are an absolute game changer for organizing your luggage. With these, you'll be able to find your items quickly, save space, and keep your belongings tidy. Trust me, once you try them, you'll never travel without them again. Travel pillow $30. A travel pillow is essential for those long flights or train rides. This memory foam neck pillow provides excellent support and comfort, ensuring that you get some quality rest during your journey.